Hello everybody and friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today video is going to be focused on Rewalk Robotics stock, or we can say Rwlk stock. So in this video we are talking about its share prices, analysis, news, updates and other things about the stock and the company. So today's video is very important information. So first of all, if you are visiting our channel for first time, please subscribe our channel, also press bell icon for future updates. The Rewalk Robotic, it was one of the stock that we covered in our recent videos and has this was the biggest one in terms of revenue. We thought let's have look at them first, and after having done the analysis in them, we gotta admit this is a pretty interesting company with lot of interesting plan for the future. They want to grow their business significantly and different way that they want to achieve it. The Rewalk Robotic stock was trading at 1.22 US dollar with a positive performance of 1% in today's performance. So today's video is end. Thank you for watching it.